All right, party people, place to be back at it again on our DJI Osmo Nano. Just got the update with that film look. So we are back at the world famous Lander Park. We're gonna check out these new film looks and see what they're talking about. So let's get to it. All right, remember people, we don't have any ND filters, so if anybody wants to send us some ND filters, freeware, we would gladly accept them. So this is what it looks like on normal profile without any film tones. And this is what it looks like with the CC film tone. Do we see any difference, people? All right, people, we are in NC film tone. Check it inside out. It's beautiful, beautiful. February 25th, 2026. In the beautiful New Braunfels, Texas, Lander Park. Look at this beautiful scenery. So now we are in TR film tone. And just FYI, we are on the normal color profile. I didn't want to try D-Log M yet, but we are in normal 10-bit color profile, people. And as you can see, with no ND filter, it's this nice little sunny day. Doing pretty damn good, people. If you are ever in New Braunfels, Texas, people, one thing you have to check out is this nice high quality park, Lander Park. It is beautiful and amazing. You will not be disappointed. I can promise you that. So come on through to Tejas, to New Braunfels. Come check out this nice high quality park that I frequently come to at least once or twice a week. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get back to the video. So our next field tone that we are on right now is WT. And we have made it over here to this water to where we can get a closer look in, peoples. At this beautiful, beautiful water. So again, the film tone is WT. So what do you think about WT? Do we like it? Check out the scenery. Look at this. Nature's finest. Doing what it does. On the DJI Osmo Nano. Can't beat that with a bat, people. Can't beat that with a bat. We can even see some little fish in the water. Look at that, look at that. Live in 3D. So the next film tone profile is FE. This is supposed to be more for the cinematic look. What you think? Does it look cinematic? Is it catching this nice high quality, beautiful park cinematically? Or is it a bunch of bull? I think it look pretty damn good, myself, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Once again on this DJI Osmo Nano, smiling on camera. I'm not gonna get any funny looks because it's so small. But what do we think? about this film tone look. And here we go. This is NV. This is the film tone NV. What we thinking? What we thinking? What we thinking? What we thinking? Bam. What we thinking, people? What are we thinking? Do we love it? Do we hate it? We checking it inside out with this beautiful scenery. So, I mean, we kind of cheating. If you think about it, we kind of cheating because it's just too damn beautiful out here. Come on. So, it may be hard to tell, but it's just so damn easy to do this on this nice high quality DJI Osmo Nano, people. Just too damn easy. So once again, those were your tones. So now, let's just get us some shots. What you think? Let's just do that. All right, people, we're back on the normal color profile, and we went through our film looks to check it out in the beautiful Lander Park area. Hope y'all enjoyed it. What do you think about this new film look? I'm enjoying the hell out of the DJI Osmo Nano. Like I said, it's become my new favorite camera because it is so easy to use. So let me know if y'all like them film looks. If you're gonna use the film looks, comment, subscribe, like, do all that type of stuff. And once again, it's your Uncle Rico, aka the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people. Peace.